In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the factory reset of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra through settings and through the recovery mode. So first, I'm going to show you how to do this through settings. We want to open settings, scroll all the way down, and go to general management. Over here, you should be able to find reset option. And then here at the bottom, we have factory data reset. We can select this option. We have the summary of everything that will be removed. And at the bottom, we have a reset button. Once you press it and confirm yourself, you should be able to choose delete all and proceed with the factory data reset. Now, if you want to perform this hard reset through the recovery mode, then you need to prepare the USB cable because you need to connect your phone to a computer. After that, you will need to turn off your device. So we want to go to the power menu. There we go. Choose power off and wait for the device to turn off. And of course, you will feel the vibration when the device is off, but since we are connected to a computer, you need to also wait for the charging icon, this one. And then after a few seconds, you should also see the battery information. So let's wait for the battery information at the bottom. There we go. And now we can go to the recovery mode. Press and hold the power button and volume up button until you are in the recovery mode. There we go. Keep holding. You will see the Samsung logo soon. There we go, but keep holding those two buttons. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode, as you can see. And now we need to scroll down using volume down button. We navigate by using volume buttons. And we need to choose wipe data / factory reset. And here we want to confirm our choice by pressing the power button. And then after that, go to factory data reset and once again confirm with the power button. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!